I watched Shiri get blown up, so.
You did get to witness
I'm
that.
satisfied.
Congrats. How does that feel? Does it feel
that
good?
sounds so good. I envy you so much.
I was watching the Boomba follow them for
I need that
ages,
on
and I was
repeat,
just like,
please.
in this one moment, they will get blown up. And then I heard Caleb start fucking screaming.
Oh my god, it was so
Screams of the
funny when you were screaming. You sounded like Courage the Cowardly Dog. You were like,
What? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
It was literally screams of terror.
Well, I was being chased by 2 big mouth bitches.
Big mouth bitches. They don't really hurt
I have
you
a
though.
name, you know.
They're scary. I didn't knew that.
No, the squeaky one doesn't hurt you, but the other one does. Yeah.